the chicks from the 4-H.
Yes, they're so
We have
cute. They're so cute, right?
Oh, they are cute.
What happened to my farm?
Let's go put them in their coop.
Oh, you're
Come on,
so cute. We have baby 6, and we live on a farm, remember?
Okay, let's see if we can find a smaller water so they don't fall in.
Should we just put rocks at the bottom like we did last time? There's a bug, look.
They're trying to eat the bug.
Oh my gosh, wait. Look. Look at that. They're trying to,
Oh,
my
that
gosh,
one
wait.
got it.
They just got it. Oh my god. Good job, guys. Let's see if anyone figured out how to eat yet. Hey, guys, look. Look. Oh, first adventure. Let's see if they know how to eat.
Okay, no, we're gonna have to find another water.
Yeah, this is
They're getting in the water.
Okay, you stay right there. Make sure
Okay.
they don't get in. Hey, Drew, can you make sure that lad doesn't get in there?
Hi, babies.
Where do you think there's another water?
Maybe in Dad's shed. Let's tell the baby chicks hi. One of them has a bug in its mouth, and they're all trying to get it from that chick. Look, here's a bug, lad.
Don't eat me.
This is more interesting than watching football. Get it, little chick.
Don't eat me too.
Today we are moving the chicks out from the coop into the outdoor pen, their movable pen. Are you helping? Good job, lad.
All right, let's go get another one.
This one's so loud. Instead of her going, she goes.
Why don't you go get a chicken? Why?
I don't want to.
Are you scared of chickens?
No, but last time when we were in the car, one pecked me.
It pecked you?
Yeah.
Oh my
so I don't
gosh.
want to go.
Okay. Okay. So what are you doing? You're just supporting everybody and cheering them on? How are you helping us?
And this makes sure the chickens don't get out.
Good. You're right. Making sure they don't get out. That's a very good thing to do. Thank you.
Mama, floss and floss.
They're eating grass already.
You got a home phone?
They like the flowers. Marley, are you helping? Are you helping? No, not really. Not really. No. So we'll keep them right here for a few days since they're still small, and then once they've kind of eaten up most of the grass and used up the area, we'll move them just a little bit forward, and then keep doing that and fertilize a lot of our property. 31.
There's a few more.
31.
2 more. Don't get the rest.